Hola! Welcome to Mexico. We're staying at the Dreams Natura, just south of the Cancun airport. And I'm gonna show you around there's a lot of words here. Preferred, club level, junior, ocean suite, king. It's basically a king room with an ocean view, and we're on the club level. I'll explain more about that later, but let's get right into the room tour. Now that we're in the room, let's start forward, work our way back. Here right away, you can see the 4 drawers, so plenty of room if you're here for a while to put all your clothes in. Step over to the closet. In here, some hangers. These are for the robes, which are on the bed. You'll see in a second. We have slippers, safety deposit box if you want anything like passports, IDs, or wallet that you want to put in there. Let's move over to the bathroom. So the bathroom's nice because there is 2 sinks, so you're not on top of each other. Nice toiletries that we've noticed. Really nice shampoo, soaps, conditioners. There is incense in the room, which was different for us because in the States, you can't burn anything really in hotel rooms anymore. Towels underneath. Other basic bathroom stuff. Let's hop around and I'll show you the shower. So here's the wonderful shower with a rain shower and a standard head if you want as well. It's really easy to operate. I'm not gonna do it, but you just slip it on and then this button here activates either this one or the rain shower. Like most resorts with pools, there's a drying hook for all your swimsuits and things. And here are the nice toiletries, like I was saying. There's shampoo, body wash, and conditioner, and they smell really nice. On the other side of me is the toilet. So let's move out to the main living space. First thing on our left is kind of snack, coffee, and beverage station. So there's coffee here that you can make in your room. I believe that since we're with the preferred level, this is one of the perks, is we have a bottle of tequila in the room because other people we've talked to do not. But everyone does have this. This is your mini bar. So there's bottles of water, there's some soda, and there's 4 Coronas in here. We haven't adventured much, but I think you can request, say, if you like vodka or stuff, I think you are able to request that. In this side, there's a nice bucket with some glasses for said tequila or other stuff if you want to make a drink. The TV, which has been on pretty much when we got in the room, and that's it because there's no need. There's plenty of plugs around. There's one here and there's 2 on either side of the bed. They are USB outlets. There are only a couple standard AC plugs, so just something to keep in mind if you want to charge any devices. Here's a nice big king bed, and the robes I was talking about. Very large. It's a pretty comfortable bed. Here is they have a tablet, and this is how you can order room service, get info about the hotel, spa services. Tara did try to book a spa treatment on the tablet itself, and I don't know if there's a hiccup if it was either booked, but it did get rejected. But I don't know if that was just a glitch or not. So it is nice to kind of see stuff and order room service. Room service is 24 hours here. The menu does change based on the time of night, so it's just something, it's all in the app there. Let's move over to the seating area. So here's the couch. I think this does pull out into a sleeper sofa if you have kids or more people with you. So that's that. Right behind, there's 4 more drawers for more storage. And we'll show you outside quick. All right, so here we are out on our balcony. We are on the 5th floor. There are 8 floors in the resort across 3 different buildings. If you want to check out a full review of the resort, I should have a video up so you can see a full walkthrough. And since we're on the preferred or club level, we think we have a tub on our balcony as well. So that's nice just to sit out and relax at night. They have music playing in the lobby. You can hear it from here. So that concludes our walkthrough of the room. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. And if you want to see more of these room walkthroughs or any of our other travel videos, please make sure to subscribe and turn the bell notifications on. We're gonna go enjoy our time in Cancun. Thanks for watching.